Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of waffle bowl makers. If you're someone who loves crafting unique desserts or turning breakfast into a fun experience, you're in the right place. We've rounded up the top 5 waffle bowl makers on the market and are going to break them down for you. Features, performance, and value, so you can make the best choice for your kitchen. As always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Mini Waffle Bowl Maker 4 Belgian Waffle Bowls by Ruru. This compact and lightweight waffle bowl maker is designed with simplicity in mind. It features a ceramic build, which is lead-free, PFAS-free, and PFOA-free, making it a healthier option for those who are concerned about non-stick coatings. While the product's 350-watt power output is lower compared to others on this list, it's perfect for smaller households or those who want to experiment with waffle bowls without committing to a larger appliance. The design is sleek and modern, but it's worth noting that its smaller size means smaller waffle bowls. At just 2.33 pounds, it's highly portable and can easily fit into tight kitchen spaces. However, the lower wattage means longer cooking times, so if you're in a rush, this might not be the most efficient choice. The overall user experience is decent, with an included brush for easy cleanup, but it lacks advanced features like indicator lights or a cool touch handle. This product is ideal for occasional use or for those who are testing the waters with waffle bowls. However, if you're looking for speed and versatility, this might not be the best choice. Pros include its compact design and ceramic material, but cons include slower performance and limited capacity. With a 4.1-star rating from users, it's a good basic option, but falls short of the competition in terms of power and features. At number 4 is the Ovente Electric Waffle Bowl Maker. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who want a fun, creative way to enjoy waffle bowls without breaking the bank. Priced at just $20.76, it offers impressive value with features like a non-stick coating, cool touch handle, and preheat indicator light. The 520-watt heating system ensures even cooking, and the built-in thermostat prevents overheating, making it a safe and user-friendly choice. The design is compact and lightweight, with a turquoise finish that adds a pop of color to your kitchen. While the waffle bowls it produces are on the smaller side, the results are consistent and golden brown. The non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, and its compact size means it won't hog counter space. However, the lower wattage may lead to slightly longer cooking times compared to higher-powered options on this list. This waffle bowl maker is ideal for beginners, families with kids, or anyone on a budget who doesn't want to compromise on quality. The pros include its affordability, user-friendly features, and attractive design. On the downside, it lacks the power and versatility of some of the higher-end models. With a 4.2-star rating, it's a solid choice for casual use, but may not satisfy those looking for faster or larger-scale waffle bowl production. Coming in at number 3 is the Brentwood Appliances TS1402BL Double Waffle Bowl Maker. This unique appliance stands out for its ability to make 2 waffle bowls at the same time, making it a fantastic option for families or those who love entertaining. With 3.5-inch diameter plates, it produces mini waffle bowls that are perfect for desserts, breakfast, or savory snacks. The 1,000-watt heating system ensures fast cooking, and the power and preheat indicator lights take the guesswork out of operation. Design-wise, the Brentwood TS1402BL sports a bold blue finish and a sturdy plastic build. The non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, although the appliance itself is a bit bulkier than others on this list. At 4 pounds, it's not the most portable, but its dual bowl capacity makes up for the added size. While it doesn't include advanced features like a cool touch handle, its performance is reliable and it delivers evenly cooked waffle bowls every time. This waffle bowl maker is perfect for families or anyone who wants to speed up their waffle bowl making process. The dual bowl feature is a big plus, but the bulkier size and higher price tag might deter those with limited kitchen space. Pros include its fast performance and dual capacity design. while cons include its larger footprint and lack of premium features like a cool touch handle. With a 4.5-star rating, it's a versatile and reliable option for most households. Taking the second spot is the Double Waffle Bowl Maker by Starblue. This appliance is built for efficiency, allowing you to make two 4-inch waffle bowls simultaneously. With a 1200-watt heating system, it's one of the most powerful options on this list, ensuring quick and even cooking. The product also comes with a recipe booklet, which is a thoughtful addition for those new to waffle bowl making. Its non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup, and the dual-cup design makes it a great choice for families or entertaining. The Starblue Waffle Maker features a clean, white design with a durable plastic and non-stick build. At 4 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but its performance more than makes up for the added weight. The non-stick coating is of high quality, ensuring the waffle bowls lift out effortlessly. While it doesn't have advanced features like a cool touch handle, its straightforward operation and fast cooking times make it a favorite among users. This product is ideal for power users who want to make multiple waffle bowls in a short amount of time. Pros include its dual cup capacity, powerful heating system, and included recipe booklet. Cons include its bulkier size and lack of advanced safety features. With a 4.5-star rating, it's a fantastic option for those who prioritize speed and capacity over compact design. Finally, at number 1, we have the Presto 03500 Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker. This premium option is the ultimate waffle bowl maker, combining performance, design, and versatility. With a 750-watt heating system, it produces 4-inch thick, fluffy waffle bowls that are perfect for everything from breakfast to dessert. What sets this product apart is its ability to work with both store-bought and homemade batters. And it even includes recipes to inspire creativity in the kitchen. The design is sleek and modern, with a black finish and non-stick grids for easy cleanup. The cool touch exterior and compact footprint make it a user-friendly addition to any kitchen. Its performance is top-notch, delivering evenly cooked and consistent results every time. While it's slightly more expensive at $39.99, the quality and versatility justify the price. It's also PFAS and PFOA-free, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. This waffle bowl maker is perfect for anyone who values quality and versatility. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or experimenting with creative desserts, this appliance has you covered. Pros include its high-quality build, consistent performance, and included recipes. The only con is the higher price tag, but for what you're getting, it's well worth the investment. With an impressive 4.6-star rating, the Presto 03500 is our top pick for the best waffle bowl maker. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video helped you find the perfect waffle bowl maker for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Got any questions about these products? Drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy cooking!